been in office for three years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth, 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. Did you hear me right? I said 99.99% of them will mark Igbo.
Ekelekwa nke mbụ onye mere ege m ntị asị m ebe na nene m udo dịlụ nwoke ihe ama ya emelụ nwoke melụ nwaanyị. Vidio akịta na-afụ bụ vidio Gọvanọ Soludo ya vidio a na-eso okwu ihe anyị na-eche akịta. Yes, onye nwere eso okwu according to ndị mmadụ asị na Soludo bolu ndị Igbo allegation and the issue this issue na-circulate na social media now. Achọrọ m ke ọ naghị nene that video now, so rewind kwe ya back jeje nenekwu ya ọzọ. Rewind gị ebi ịnatago now gee ntị ka m kọwalụ n'ihe before m play the remaining video, because now ndị bloggers imago time has passed, people like us not here ka we na put an end to some of the lies ndị mmadụ ji eli ndị mmadụ mugwu na social media, because mgbe ndị mmadụ mere ya agago, that is why we are here. Because m ekpebigo m ya n'obi mụ na onye be m that I can never post video na boli ihe mere eme. Ma ha bịa na-abịa use a caption of na egbuo na 500 people ebe while na-enene the video ọ bụrụ video party and enjoyment. Yet I don't do that. It has not been in my nature from beginning, neither will it start now. So ihe nji ekwuli ha is that now most of our people, some of our people before na skwa na ma abịakwa, some of our people na dey too much attached, emotionally attached to something. Too much emotionally attached to something. Oh yeah, but Hannah eme here like this. Now why are these people not seeing this bigger picture? The reason second brief we had does break here down so that when they Hannah made the argument, so that send they had this video, if possible, crop what this part actually send the underlying keyword na this Soludo arrested. Also, ndị bay na most of the 99.9 people are arrested go since so by an ọchịchị bụ ndị Igbo. In other words, na gịnị me ọ na-ekwu ya ka ọ dịle onye ọbụla na mma that we ndị Igbo should better go and change our ways. Abụ ndị Igbo, some of us need to go back to the drawing board to checkmate ourselves. Mala ebe milisi ebe anọpụ Igbo gụrụ malụ mgbe I bido support to be hojo all because of this okwu and ekwu obasara. That is why things maybe and people like Soludo because made that statement. Soludo is my governor of Anambra State. Is he doing well in some party? Yes. Is he a human being? Yes. That is why he's bound by the law of nature to disappoint and to fail. He will not be 100% right. In which case, in a speech Soludo, why would he say that, man? The key word there arrested. I na so Igbo say na a bed at hand is better than thousands in a bush. So that bed at hand na abono in the keyword of Soludo Kub arrested ndị ejidegolu ejide. Ndị ejidegolu ejide. Oyo nwa that keyword ahụ. Osiro gị na nọ ndị Igbo anyị na terrorize Nigeria or nọ ndị Igbo ju n'ime ọhịa. No, mana ọ sị gị na ndị ejidegolu ejide na 99.99% bụ ndị Igbo anyị. Which in each case, you won't be a victim of police brutality or harassment by the police or by the forces. A man and totally true. Iya making under police you cannot drive on the chain the paper. White time on I phone Igbo. O man so kwalu Igbo. Onwe ko bu tag na aru ya o man solo Igbo. If onya hu mesie gi ke more than ihe kwesịrị ime onya Hausa ma onye Yoruba. O ihe na ewulo ha. Onye police apụtazi o mesie gị ike like this if ị na-ajụzụkwa onwe gị onye abụzụkwa onye Igbo. Onwe ihe mere n'Enugu State late last year, some group of SARS ndị SARS nwana ka ndị gịnị nwana je kwụsị one guy bụ moto one thing lead to another ha gbaa the guy bụ mana dị egbe abara the guy arụ. Most people ma this story na-ekwu kedu ndị gbaa dị egbe ọhụ ndị Igbo anyị ọrụ ndị Igbo anyị gị na onye Hausa ya na-eso okwu onye na Yoruba ya na-enwe problem. Imote beta distain na station ndị Yoruba ibe ha ada ahịa dị mata mana onye Igbo na onye Igbo na-enwe issue unu bịa police station ha ma ngwakwa gị unu je setụlụ onye Igbo ahụ pụtazi ọ na-elizi unu mugwu n'iru ya na agwa gị gwere legit. So if you have problem, you're going to na-amị people na-afụkwa ihe na-eme na social media. Imana yes, Soludo is right in a way. Man, if in terms of protect the image and the integrity of Ndigbo, yes, that is where you will say that no, they're wrong in order to generalize. But he did not generalize. He said that nda arrest will arrest. Okamma ka onye ọbụla baja duo onwe ya duo ụmụ gị ọdụ duo ịmalụ ndị gị na ha na-eso na-ebi ajọ ndụ ịmakwa na ndị ahụ sokwa ibutele ndị Igbo ahụ ajọ afa. That is just ihe Soludo mean. O nwere ihe ọzọ Soludo kwuru ya na-eso okwu. Unu na-aghọta? So biko nenezie na the video ka unu fụ ihe nwanne Soludo kwuru na-eso okwu. Ka ọ dịkwa na ihe anyị nọ here is to gịnị is to not to make sure that na ndị mmadụ adịghị too much emotionally attached to something. We are here to set the record straight. Can the mother we keep quiet, you will not hear my voice about it. On us in the buy video na trend one day buy JJ that is meant for motherless babies home. Nearly an urban one woman you name had the video. Anyway, videos on me with alone by tomorrow or next. Or I can actually the location I better remember. That's why I actually made the video. When with the location, here we do. Nanambra state akadim one day chopo ya after 8 months the won't ni idea. After the woman I chop ya is na million na my buhan everything is. I will find the location of that so that I will talk about it also. Because now most often they buy the very wicked. Yabaki ikwe hono. Mother, if you man we am kono Igbo na asụle Igbo ihe oye lesi gị 1000 or say gị no 15 ka iwe kwebezi ọnụ for how long. So obu na the thing wute gị iwe imali in your affair ebe no imogo in the light of the public you know kwa eme nke gị. Try as much as you can to be a helper and to minimize that language called apatazin ọzọ. That is all I have to say. Ka ọ dịkwa na ndị be anyị.
Factual. I've been in office for three years and 3 months, okay? If we have arrested 100 criminals, non-mafia, kidnappers, and so on and so forth, 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. Did you hear me right? I said 99.99% of them will mark Igbo. So these things are made because that was part of the lie that was put in propaganda. They are into kidnapping because it is the next lucrative business after Yahoo and drug. The next one for find is about kidnapping. Man, they say even other states. If an acquire we do all Anambra. Idolu Anambra onye nke na village fa ogote motorcycle adjoin California na abia ka etinye na line akwali ya bai mafia ọmụma ha to ifa ijide also on the Fulani. Let me I repeat and I want you to quote me right. 99.99% of all the criminals, kidnappers and so on that were arrested so far ụmụaka Igbo. Igbos are the ones kidnapping Igbos. They are the ones killing Igbos. All these camps. Igbo. And by the way, because I came with the same false narrative. The false narrative like, oh, the Fulanis, they are invading our people. They are now everywhere. They are waiting for whistle to be blown. And this, and they will take over. And therefore, we are the ones who are the liberators. We are now going into the bush to go to chase out the Fulanis. Nobody asked the question. They are now banning mafia to go and liberate you. How do they feed? 1 month, 2 months, 6 months, 1 year. How do they feed? How do they feed? So that you see. Like I said, I'm one of you, but I decided to go home. Actually, in '99, I was a visiting professor at Swarthmore College. Okay? And I remember the last conversation of Governor Ford, because from there I moved down here to DC, to the World Bank, where I spent 18 months. I was just leaving and they were having a set forth party. And I remember the chairman of the department wishing that I could spend maybe a much longer time. My response was, I mean, a friend there called me several years to say how my response touched him, a white man. Asked me if God in his infinite wisdom decided in Memoria Africa, there must be a purpose. And I couldn't fulfill that purpose in this land. Here, that my marginal contribution to American civilization is next to zero, 0.something%. But my marginal contribution to the advancement of civilization in Africa will be, I mean, you see how your presence elevates the quality of discussion and decisions, and so on. And tomorrow, one of the meetings in that project, when I left Swarthmore to the World Bank, I was a long-term consultant, and we produced a book published by the World Bank in 2000 entitled Can Africa Claim the 21st Century?